How to create account on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create an account on your Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your app. Once you are there, all you need to do is click on me and you should create an account. You can log in with Facebook, with your phone number, with email. Okay, I log in with Google. Choose email. Now once you choose the email, now you have to get a username. For example, and click on done. You can add some. And now click on, you can skip or connect contact. I choose to skip. Now this is your account on your Likee app, easy and quick. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.